and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the UpReale ring light and stand combination. So this is what you get in the package. You have the ring light in its own box and the light stand or the tripod stand in a separate box. Let's open the ring light first. Now, the front side has a couple of notes of importance, namely that this is used as a fill light and you can get multiple color temperatures on the LED. On the back side, you have a separate model number just for the ring light, which happens to be CXP260, and it's 26 centimeters in diameter. We'll keep the packaging on the side and open up everything else that is inside. So you get the ring light with its cabling. And there are a couple of accessories. So we've got a mobile phone holder with a ball head joint at the back. Then there's a gooseneck tube. Again, this will go into the mobile stand holder. You can tighten that up. Then you have another ball head joint. You need to take the ball head as well as this little base, screw it on, and this goes at the bottom of your ring light. The light stand goes into the bottom of your ball head, so that allows you to adjust and move the ring light around and get an orientation that is comfortable or rather appropriate for your lighting conditions. Then the mobile phone holder with the gooseneck goes into the light stand or rather the ring light. So this is how you would typically set it up. Then on the back side of the ring light, you can see several ventilation slits for cooling. There's even a little hook at the top for you to mount this against a wall if you need to. Coming to the controls, you've got a decently long USB cable which uses a USB 2.0 interface, and there are several buttons. So the bottom one is for you to power it on or off. Then you have a plus button for increasing the intensity of the light, a minus button for reducing the intensity of the light, and a cycle button to change the color temperature. Next, let's open up the light stand. This comes with several knobs for adjustment. So the first two knobs are for adjusting the height. So if you unscrew it, you can pull the section out and it extends up quite a bit. And the same goes for the second knob. You can loosen that up and open up the second section. So you can extend it to get the appropriate height required. Then at the top, you have your standard threading, which goes into the bottom as well as into most cameras. Then you have the third knob. This is for actually opening up the legs. So once you do that, just need to push this part down and the legs will open up. As you can see, they open up like an umbrella. So you just need to push down and it will open up. And you also get a little additional bit of height. So most people who buy this will not find the 7 feet that is advertised on the product listing because they don't consider this little height increment. And they usually end up with 5.8 feet. So if you open up the feet and push the central element as high as you can, you will get the proper 7 feet. And once you have extended the leg or rather the light stand to whatever height is appropriate, you can take the light and attach it. And there you have it. And all you need to do is place your mobile phone over here, bend the gooseneck and adjust it as you want, and you're set to start with your recordings. So that's it for the unboxing of the UpReale ring light and stand combination. Thank you for watching.